My name's Amy from Vanlux, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2023 Fiat 3600. This vehicle has done just over 1,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can get a good view of our living/dining area, doubling up as 2 belted seats, giving us 4 belted seats in total. Just behind me, we have our kitchen, complete with a stove, sink and fridge to the right. Behind the kitchen, we have the bathroom with our toilet, sink with a retractable shower head. Next is our first of 2 double beds, making this camper 4 berth, 4 belts. If we connect our ladder, we can go inside of our spacious pop top, where we'll find our second double bed. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control as a feature, and to the right we have cruise control. On our screen we can access home, media, climate control, navigation, smartphone integration, vehicle and apps. If we put it into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera, and just below the screen we can access our AC. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.